Dear friends, welcome to a celebration where melodies and memories converge. Tonight, as we gather to sing and listen to the enchanting carols of Christmas, we embark on a journey through the ages, exploring the profound significance of this festive season. One of the significant moments of Christmas is its uniqueness. The familiar notes of Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer remind us of Rudolph's tale, a reindeer whose uniqueness becomes a symbol of hope and acceptance. In a world preoccupied with conformity, Christmas celebrates the uniqueness in each and every one of us. Rudolph became a metaphor for the idea that our differences can illuminate the path to joy and acceptance. As we sing these carols, they encourage us to reflect on inclusivity and kindness during the Christmas season, fostering a spirit of embracing one another with love and understanding.
Good evening, everyone. Hope you enjoy this evening with music. Whoever would like to join from their places in singing could do so.
Deck the Halls transports us into the realm of festive decorations, twinkling lights, and the aromatic scent of evergreen. This lively carol that we just heard captures the spirit of decking our homes in the celebration of the season. Decorating becomes a time-honored tradition that brings families and communities together. This carol encourages creating spaces that radiate warmth and hospitality, inviting others to share in the festive season. The Christmas season also evokes feelings of nostalgia and warmth, associated with festive gatherings and the joy of giving. Carols help us to move into the sentimental aspects of Christmas. They invite us to create cherished moments with loved ones, fostering a sense of connection that transcends time. In the midst of the hustle and bustle of our busy lives, these carols become a joyful reminder to savor simple pleasures and create enduring memories. Sweet chiming Christmas bells resonate with timeless imageries of bells heralding the arrival of peace. The gentle chiming evokes tranquility, inviting reflection on the deeper meaning of Christmas, the birth of the Prince of Peace. Bells become a symbol of the peace that Christ brings. In a world marred by conflict, carols such as these become a call to cultivate harmony within ourselves and extend it to others. Frosty the Snowman, that we just heard, playfully transports us to a world of whimsy and innocence. This light-hearted carol, with its playful narrative, captures the childlike wonder inherent in the Christmas season. It invites us to embrace the spirit of joy and merriment, reminiscent of carefree childhood days. Christmas, with its festive decorations and tales of magical snowmen, become a respite from adult complexities, allowing us to approach life with the open-hearted innocence of a child. important aspect of Christmas is the resounding joy and celebration. Ding dong merrily on high, the carol that we just heard, transports us to a realm of celebration and merriment. The jubilant refrains and pealing bells evoke the festive atmosphere that envelops communities during the Christmas season. Christmas is a time of celebration, a celebration of love, hope, and the birth of Jesus Christ. The jubilation captured in this carol underscores the universal human longing for moments of shared happiness, reminding us that despite challenges, there is a collective yearning for joy that unites people during this special season. The first Noel that we just heard is also called a divine symphony of redemption, as it transports us to Bethlehem, where angels proclaim the birth of the Savior. This carol encapsulates the profound significance of Christmas, the divine symphony of redemption that began with the birth of Jesus Christ. The first Noel thus becomes a sacred hymn, drawing us into the heart of the Christmas narrative and prompting contemplation of the transformative power of Christ's birth.
Okay, now we have angels we have heard on high, only the two string instruments.
Carols also encapsulate the heartwarming spirit of togetherness that defines this holiday season. Christmas is a season that unites families, friends, and communities, transcending differences. As we listen to these carols, we hope to evoke the sentiment of extending blessings and good wishes to all, fostering a good feeling beyond immediate circles.
Okay, this will be our last carol, wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I would love everyone to join in this.
wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much. Thank you for the applause.
As this carol, "We Wish You a Merry Christmas," echoes through the room, we find ourselves immersed in the collective harmony of hearts united in song. These timeless carols, with their unique melodies and messages, have helped us weave a tapestry of significance that defines the essence of Christmas. Christmas is more than just a date on the calendar. It is a season of the heart, a time when the collective yearning for love, peace, and joy finds expression in the universal language of music. Through the melodies of these carols, we have explored themes that inspire us to explore and embrace uniqueness, experience the joy of giving, celebrate together, foster togetherness, create festive traditions, resonating with melodies of peace, and thus helping us to engage in the divine symphony of redemption, creating nostalgia and warmth.